Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a credit card to your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of the Switch, open up the Nintendo eShop. Tap on your user icon from the top right corner of the eShop homepage. Then on the Account Info tab, scroll down the right menu to Credit Card Information and tap on Save. Fill in your credit card info and tap Save. Your credit card will now be added to your Nintendo Switch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.